Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to duplicate a form in Google Forms. First, I'll go ahead and open up this form. So go ahead and click on this. And once this opens up, what I need you to do is come here at the top right. You'll see these three dots. So click on more options, okay? So click on this. Then we get a drop down of different options. I want you to come all the way here. This is the first option. Click on make a copy, right? And once we do that, we need to name it. You can name this anything you want. So maybe you're sending it to different classes or different sets of people. You can label it as such. And then once we've changed our name, you can come here to folder. Okay, this is our drive, and we can set whichever folder we want this Google Forms to be in. Okay, I'll just select my drive. There we go. And then if you want to share with the same people, you can toggle this on, or you can just click on make a copy. Then it would open up a copy of that form in a new tab. And then I'll show you how we can get the link. So we can just go ahead and click on this option to get the link. But before we can start getting the link, make sure you publish it. Okay, we publish this form. There we go. Click on publish. And now once we go ahead and copy the link and share it with people, we will be getting the responses for it. And it's really that easy and simple.